birthday, Shania. Thank you sa unexpected friendship and sa pagpapasaya sa amin always. And ayun. Sa tumis.
Thank you, Turtle. May call on Chief. Nakapunta si Chief. Thank you for coming, Chief. Gulat ka, no? Gulat ka ba? Paano nakapunta ang college friends mo? Si Turtle yan.
Ito lang. Happy birthday, Shania. Sobrang, ngayon na kasi kami first year na nakakilala na siya. And, sobrang, marami na din kami nagawa. Like, yung naging and sobrang grateful ako sa friendship natin. Always be here for you sa college trip.
Thank you, Chief. And next is Crisel. May I call on Crisel? Pao, hinahanap ka niya. Hindi niya nakikita. Kawayan mo. Nasa dance mo siya.
Ay, Shania. Hindi ko rin alam sasabihin ko. Thank you for the unexpected friendship na nagsiwa sa groupings. And I'm happy to have a friend like you.
Paiyak na.
Thank you. Kasi I have a friend like you na pwede namin pagsabihan, kwentuhan. If hindi ko nakausap, nasa kabilang room lang kami. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Crisel. And of course, may I call on Jillian. Ayan, ang mga BS nurses na college friend. Senior nursing talaga.
Ba't tumayo ka?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shania. Thank you for the unexpected friendship. Kasi hindi ko na-expect na makaka-attend ako sa pinaka-special event na araw sa'yo. Since first term lang tayo nakakilala. Nung first day of school, nakita na talaga kita, sabi ko, may gusto mo itong aking friend. Tapos ngayon, naging friend na nga, and madami ng memories na nagawa tayo. And I hope na mas marami pang memories pa kahit na hindi na tayo magkakasa. Ayun na, happy birthday.
Thank you, Jillian. Ayan, picture together. May I call on Mary Jane? Mary Jane. Mary. Saan pala yung Mary?
Happy birthday, Shania. I know we've only been friends for a few months because first year ka lang namin nakasama but I can tell that you're one of the most genuine and fun people that I've ever met. And we're very, very lucky to have a friend like you. Like, napapansin ko na lahat talaga ini-include mo. So, so, ayun, happy birthday. Always stay safe and I hope na magkaroon pa tayo ng more memories together like yung birthday natin. Happy birthday.